Time to give the car back. Alright, time to give the car back. If we're lucky, we've got 'em. So, every year has its unique script. This is this one. Hard copy, paper documents of the entire trip. And it's in sequential order. So for any reason that I'm out of battery, or sometimes these are vouchers, and when that ferry office opens, they're going to give me a ticket.
Thank you.
Oh, very fast. Thank you very much. Farewell, Milos. Will I be back? You know, I've been saying this like in the other video. My priorities are changing. I got a home that I need to make happen back there. So never say never, but not as frequent, as soon, and as successive as these trips have been. So I'm looking around and soaking it in. Milos. It's in my top 5. Yeah, I really like it here. I'm on the way to Amorgos, the island, right? Well, this is Santorini. Look at this port. Okay, I'm going to say something, but hear me out. Santorini is where the low IQ dream. Yeah. Now, me, I think I've been there 5 or 6 times, and it's one of my favorite places, and I will return. But I go out of my way to not walk with the masses. And Santorini, like Pepsi or Coke, I mean, this thing has just been packaged up, and they sell it as a conceptual realized dream. And it's you and 10,000 other people trying to share that same moment. So if you can come here and carve out your own, you know, I'd highly recommend it. But look at all the buses. This was a packed ferry, and everybody's getting off to go here. The port I'm going to, there's no buses. There's like a donkey and a wheelbarrow. Yeah, it's a whole different thing. But it's a simple dream, my friends. For some, they'll come and experience the cookie cutter concept that, you know, I don't know if you really saw Santorini if you didn't go out and explore and find out where nobody is. I am charging up for Amorgos. See what I meant on the boat? All right, so dream outside of what you've been sold, and think outside of what you've been told, and live outside of the fold. There you go. Write that down. All right, so here, let me explain something. Back here is the rental place where I got my vehicle last time, and it was a good deal, and they were kind, and it's right next to the ferry. So I'm gonna actually get a vehicle so I can go to the hotel, check in, and let's begin this day. Ah, the sun's out. I'm back. Most animals in this shelter have been found abandoned. Is that the white horse? I mean, is that the white one? Hey guys. Oh, I'm so happy. So you understand what I did? So I ferried in. I got my own ride. And I'm driving to